Well, the day is finally here, the groundbreaking for the Richard and Norma Small Athletic and Wellness Center. We have been waiting for years for today, and I'm thrilled 17 months from now, we will have improved every single space on this campus, both inside and outside. Of course, this is going to be an incredible building for our student athletes. It's also going to be a building for all of our students, faculty, staff, the local Mount Vernon community. So here we go. Of course, we're moving forward. We haven't yet fully funded this project, so if this is something that interests you, when the time comes, please jump in and join us. Thanks.
Hi everyone, we are so excited to announce a $19.5 million expansion and renovation to the Small Sports Center at Cornell College. This is going to be a beautiful enhancement to our campus, community, and Mount Vernon. It's going to include a brand new lobby to enhance student life and game day experience. We'll have 2 new classrooms, 2 fitness studios. We'll have a 2-story wellness complex to enhance our overall wellness on campus and our strength conditioning program for our student athletes. New locker rooms, coach's office suite, and we are so excited for the future. Go Rams!